Welcome to Lower Crockett Farm, a beautiful home. Well, although it's one home, it feels like two, very unusually. You've got an 1800 cottage, beautiful looking cottage at the front, and the barn itself has been converted over many years to form this beautiful dining room, lobby and extended kitchen dining room at the rear. Multi-generational living at its best if you want it, for one very large home to enjoy. This is the real sociable hub of Lower Crockett Farm. A very large farmhouse style kitchen with an oil-fired aga for domestic cooking and warmth. There are the normal modern appliances, oven, dishwasher, hob, etc. But a lovely sociable space in this most beautiful of settings. So now you've had a glance inside. This is the central brick paved driveway, parking central courtyard area of the property. There's a rebuilt 6-car garage, a 2-storey workshop, a 1-storey workshop here behind me, which is beautifully done, hard-wearing floor, fresh electrics, can also be used as a loose box, and in behind me here, double garage, which actually is more workshop. Beautiful courtyard setting with everything within easy reach of the main farmhouse. So as you can see, there's a large modern agricultural barn. This leads out into the field here with a beautiful view of Dartmoor in the distance.